What up, guys? It's SMG here, and today we're doing another pack opening. I'm sorry I did not upload yesterday because I had some things to do. I have to study for school, and but basically, as you see, Domination is out, and this hat trick or treat is out, and informed players. And as you know, if you go on the plans, we have. Oh my God! Just look at him. Bam! Oh my God, 90 rated Hazard, and I just want to get this Hazard, but I'm not gonna buy Coutinho and buy Shaqiri and then get this Hazard. I'm gonna try to pack him, But basically, my friend got Shaqiri yesterday. I said just open a pro pack. He just had enough coins and he just opened it and he got Shaqiri. So yeah, he got the luck. Basically, we have 5 packs right now. But this video is not gonna be from five packs, of course. If you go to my market, as you can see, my Sterling is selling. So basically, this is gonna be a 2-part video. But yeah, you're gonna see it in one part. But first off, we're gonna open these 5 packs, and I just hope I'm gonna get something good. Basically, yeah, I changed my starting 11 tactic. As you can see, only Dybala is here. I'm starting a 4-2-3-1 wing attack, and I got myself yesterday. I opened 2 packs or 3 packs, and I got myself a Danny. He's so good. He's really good. And in defense, yeah, I sold my Espeliqueta, of course, because no, I wouldn't be buying these packs if I wouldn't sell my Espeliqueta. So I have 5 pro packs. Well, actually, I will have 14, 13 pro packs to open in this video, but yeah, we're gonna start with 5 pro packs. Okay, come on, pro pack number 1, James Rodriguez. Bam! Oh my God, this is our. Oh, yo! Yes, we got Scream Team player. We need gold Scream Team players. We need them because Krizanovic, Veragra or something like that. Contreras. Okay, our right wing back, it's an update, so okay, 78 rated defense, we're back on it. Okay, we basically need an elite, come on, to give us the money. Oh my God, no, don't do this to me. Okay, yes, another Scream Team player, that's good, but basically I am so close to finishing the Fellaini one. I'm not gonna finish the Luis Gustavo, because he's just, yes, he would fit in my starting 11, but I just don't feel like getting that Luis Gustavo, as you know. Come on, bam. Okay, FIFA Mobile, Jer Fale. Okay, bam. Lee Jimin. Okay, we're gonna go to this one. Okay, I think it's. Well, this was a waste of my money. Nice. So basically, this is not the end of the pack opening. So yeah.
ground shake.
Life can flip in a matter of seconds. One morning you waking up in the projects, and the next morning you wake up in a $1.2 million car. How did I get here?
I come looking for you with Haitians. I stay smoking on good Jamaican. I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new booty.